In this video I will describe you, Windows 11 Dev version, OS build 25211 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 25211 version notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11 25211 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build some changes and improvements feedback, new settings experience for widgets, new context menu when right-clicking on the taskbar shows Task Manager, new Outlook for Windows, new Snipping tool update automatically save your screenshots and photos and many more fixes. New settings update experience for widgets. New context menu when right-clicking on the taskbar shows Task Manager. New Outlook update for Windows. New Snipping tool update automatically save your screenshots and photos. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.